Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Adi Nir, and I'm the CEO of MetoMotion. I grew up in a kibbutz and worked in the fields before working for many years in the aerospace industry. A few years ago, my brother, a robotics engineer, and I decided to combine our agricultural roots with our engineering experience to develop a robot to solve two major problems facing agriculture today: the labor crisis and the high production costs. Labor is a growing problem around the world. Farmers told us that with the labor crisis, they can't always harvest their crops on time, if at all. Competition for workers is costing farmers millions in higher wages and better conditions. Labor is up to 50% of total greenhouse production costs. MetoMotion is developing a multi-purpose robotic system to perform labor-intensive tasks in greenhouses. Our first application is harvesting greenhouse tomatoes, where we estimate our robot will be able to cut production costs by half. This is the design concept for MetoMotion robotic system that we call GROW, Greenhouse Robotic Worker. An autonomous guided vehicle will have two robotic arms with custom-designed end effectors or grippers for picking the crop. The robot will harvest two rows at the same time using one arm for each side. We went from design to reality in 1 year. Let's look at our GROW Alpha version in action. In the greenhouse, our autonomous guided vehicle drives along the rows in an existing tracks or on the ground. Our custom cameras generate a 3D map of the plant and its crop. Our advanced vision system detects the tomatoes ready for harvesting. It guides the arm to the location of the tomato, where the end effector picks the fruit and places it on the conveyor. Harvesting data goes through the cloud to the grower's device. We designed our system as a plug-and-play to fit greenhouse operations. After we visited many greenhouses to better understand their needs, we are starting in high-tech greenhouses. They are like automated factories. MetoMotion's robotic system is also suitable for other types of greenhouses, tasks, and crops. A greenhouse is a mess of branches, leaves, and fruit. MetoMotion's 3D vision system is custom designed to meet the challenges of this environment. Our algorithm detects the ripe fruits and calculates the position in space. Our unique end effector locates the stem that the robot cannot see and picks without damaging the fruit or the plant. Our end effector is a simple solution for a very complex problem, and it can be easily adapted for harvesting other greenhouse vegetables. The large amount of data collected and analyzed during the robotic harvesting provides information not available today. For example, we can automatically measure the yield per plant and help growers monitor plant growth and improve production. Population growth, demand for higher quality crops, and limited land for agriculture is driving growth in greenhouse production. Today, Europe is the largest high-tech greenhouse market. MetoMotion's first target market are high-tech greenhouses that grow tomatoes. Farmers with high-tech greenhouses use automation today, and they are ready for robotics. They have a higher production cost and harvest almost year-round. In just over a year, MetoMotion has developed and tested a fully operational system in the greenhouse shown in the video. We are now focused on greenhouse trials and improving the system performance. This will take us towards initial sales next year. MetoMotion is looking to raise $2.5 million This will take us through beta trials in greenhouses and commercial version design. MetoMotion brings a game-changing product to greenhouse production. We invite you to join us and pick the fruits. Thank you very much.
Thank you for your presentation. You address a very serious problem. I come from the Netherlands. We have a lot of tomatoes there. So in that respect, how do you foresee your distribution model?
Okay. Actually, we're looking for partners, manufacturers already in this industry. Most of them, or majority of them, are located in the Netherlands that already has the network. They have distribution facilities and can support the customers and help us distributing this product.
Okay, well, we'll have a coffee afterwards.
That's great.